So yeah, we're here. It's Daytona, and it is pouring. It is pouring rain, folks. And it's Saturday morning, about 11 o'clock, and the only wheels that are turning right now are on the wheelchair because they lost the track, and there's thunder in the area, and they cleared everybody out basically, and we're just having a grand old time walking around, checking out the cars, seeing new Corvettes over there, and ooh, vodka. Well, to God be all the glory. It's a wet one at Daytona International Speedway, the world center of racing.